Happy New Year. So today we are going to the orthopedic clinic to visit the injured patients. We're going to focus on asking them how life has been for them lately, and I'm presenting them this flower because it symbolizes love, hope, a new beginning and growth. Stay tuned, guys. To show some love to people that are injured. But camera is not allowed due to patients' privacy and confidentially. So this is the man that I met. So can you introduce yourself, sir?
Yeah, this is Mr. Olakoton Sentala. So I'm one of their staff here also. I'm a medical lab scientist.
Alright, so can you tell us like what I give to them?
I was here and I show a love to the two patients here, which is give them 5,000 each and the flowers.